This is AvalonAAV's group demo video for CS411 Spring 2018. So our website's purpose is a travel website where users can enter in locations that they've been to as well as notes corresponding to those locations. So our users have to log in and create an account. So I'll demonstrate that here. So our first advanced functionality is actually a email verification system. So once we click sign up, it'll say sign up success up here, and then we will see in our email inbox that they've sent us a verification code. And by doing this, we take this verification code, we go to the confirmation link, and this is just from the cache, so please disregard this. So we enter in our activation code, and then we set our password here, and now we have verify success, and we can log in up here. So now after we log in, we can see the database of where people have entered in previous locations here, and we also have a messaging system if we click on inbox here. And now these are all the users that have entered in locations before, and as you can see, because this is a new account, our inbox is empty. So to find users, we can click their name, and then we can say find user, and then this will display that all the locations that they've been to, and it will also update as we go to different people. So it's user corresponding. So each user has listed their different locations that they've put into this travel website. So let's say I want to message my friend Vinay. His net ID is Shanba3, and we are a part of the City Scholars program, and he's working at Walgreens. So I want to say, how has working at Walgreens been? So now after that, I can click send, and now here we have a timestamp where it says the message that I sent to him as well as the exact time that I sent to him. So now for demo purposes, I'll log in to his account, and now we can see our inbox is right here. So this was the message I just sent, and now I can reply to him, or me, saying right here, we'd say it has been a great experience. I can send it. Now it'll pop up that this account just sent the previous account this reply message. So now after that, we can go back to my original account, and we can see our inbox has updated. It has been a great experience. So that is our messaging functionality. Now for our other features, when a user wants to add a location in our database, we can go to the Add Location tab and say, so now right here, someone has already entered this restaurant name. So here's a test of a duplicate, and I've already entered these things. So 9 great burgers, type food. So when I want to add this location, it says add location equals location taken, which is our error message, which should be correct. We can verify this by checking our database by this search query. We can search by location name, city, country, or zip code. And we can see, yes, it has already been added. So now, if we want to add a new location that has not been added before, I'm currently working at Blue Cross Blue Shield. This is just from the cache, so please disregard that. My note previously was, I love working here. It's been great. So I'll give it a 10. So then this, I can designate it as a workplace. And now I can add a location. So now this is my first location in this new account that I just created, and it is Blue Cross Blue Shield. So now if I go back to the main dashboard, I can search this, and we can see that it pops up here. So now we can also search by city, country, or zip code. Let's just try out the same one as Blue Cross. And now we can see the bean in Chicago pops up as well because it's right next to my workplace. So now if we clear this, it refreshes our dashboard and nothing pops up. So now if we want to update a location, right here we can try out a location like Blue Cross, and let's say that you know, this has also been a very nice viewpoint for the entire city and across Millennium Park. So we can update it with a great view of Millennium Park. As we can see, the location note updates right here, and our location is updated in the database as well, right here. So now, if we want to delete Blue Cross, let's say I'm not working at Blue Cross anymore, I don't want this associated with my profile. So now we can delete it, and it deletes it from my personal locations list as well as the major location list. And also, let's say I'm becoming a non-active user anymore. I don't want this clutter in my inbox anymore, so I can delete these inbox messages actually. So now, as I delete them, inbox is empty. So now, for demo purposes, I'm done with all the edits I want to make in our website. So now I log out. And after I log out, I cannot see any of the locations within the member fields. So that concludes the demo of AvalonAAV's website. Thanks for listening.